everybody. So today we're going to try Bird of Epic Proportions by Hop Butcher for the World. Thank you to Hop Butcher for sending this. I will leave their website linked down below. Talus, Nectaron, and Simcoe Double India Pale Ale 8% ABV. Nectaron. It has a bird and a guy is real small. Like the bird is huge, obviously proportions. I don't want to read the back. Yeah, 8%. This was packaged on 8/2, so 5 weeks old, something like that. Let's go ahead and get it open, get it into a glass, and see what we think. Then we'll check the back. I guess it's been a little game. If you're new here, Hop Butcher does put like a hop with tasting notes on the back. And lately, what I've been trying to do is match what they have. I guess I could put a little bit more in there. There we go. So, what did I say? Double India Pale Ale. Let's see if they're calling this New England. Yep. Double New England IPA. Head looks pretty white to me in this glass. Maybe slightly off-white. Small and medium bubbles from this glass. About a finger of head bubbles on the side are compact like this. So, for the color, yellow, a little hazy. I wouldn't say it's too hazy. You guys are seeing a little bit more orange than I am from here. But yeah, I would say definitely yellow. We'll go medium haze on this one. Let's go ahead and smell. Peach citrus. Like juicy peach with a little bit of citrus in there. Candied peach? I'm trying to think what they would say. Candied peach, some kind of citrus, fresh citrus, something like that. I don't know what the third one would be for just smelling. It almost smells like it has a little bit of lactose in there. I doubt it does though. Yeah, I'm almost getting like a vanilla. I shouldn't say that. Let's stick with sweet peach, a little bit of candied citrus. Let's go ahead and try it. Whoa. What is that? Some kind of citrus? Peach skin? I don't know what that is. This might be a quiet one. What is that? It's kind of like you get a little bit of sweetness, but I was really expecting like juicy peach tropical with some citrus in there. But there's something else. Still smells the same. I'm definitely not getting like a lactose sweetness, so that's not in here. Sweet floral? Sorry if you hear something. The dogs, for whatever reason, are down here now. Very smooth, medium body, goes down quick. Bitterness, 45, somewhere in there. Seems kind of light. Yeah, I get peach skin. Sweet peach, but there's something else, like a floral or something else is in there, and I have no clue. I want to say like a an older fruit, like an older peach, not a rotten peach. But kind of that older, like it's broke down just a little bit. Something muddled like that. I don't know what that is. On this one, I would go 3.75. I don't really like it. I could drink it. But whatever that is, I'm hoping it says it on the back. Yeah, I don't like it as much. So let's check the back. Citrus zest, stone fruit, jammy stone fruit, ripe raspberry? Well, I failed on this one. Is that older raspberry? Could be. With that malt and the bitterness covering it up a little bit. I mean, obviously, there was no way I was going to say that. I can kind of see it now that the tasting notes. Yeah, because now I want to say I get raspberry out of the smell too. Yeah, I still don't think it changes. I don't like that middle part in the taste. I like everything around it, just not the middle part. So 3.75. Let's check Untapped. Two of my friends have had it. 3.7. Little over 1,000 people. 3.87. Excuse me again. Yeah, I said 8% ABV. Bitter citrus stone fruit grapefruity grassy. So nobody, I'll have to watch French Haas beer reviews. Orange pith with a lasting bite. ABV well hidden. Very different. Yeah, if you want to try a different beer, but I can get the raspberry. I'll have to see if I can find some reviews because I get the raspberry now in the smell and in the taste. Now that they say that, it does kind of smell like that, but I still don't like the middle. So yeah, if you enjoyed this review, check some more out over here. And until next time, happy brewing.